Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Optix Scope in MSI MPG monitor. To do this, first you'll need to click on the back right side button on your screen, scroll down to GI, then find the Optix Scope. Right here we can enable or disable it. When we enable it, we can adjust the settings. You can find them in the same place. So let's go for the Optix Scope. You can change the scope ratio. And in this case, let's go for 1.5. Then the scope size. And let's go for a small one. And that is all of the options regarding the Optix Scope. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.